What's up, everybody? You're now in the Matrix with the Last Dragon, Richard Prophet, your host tonight on the Prophet Rolex and Real Estate channel. You already know, we own the night. All right, so you know what? Without any further ado, let's jump into tonight's video. So, everybody knows I just got the new Batman, right? So when I got it, it was a little snug on me, you know? So instead of fooling myself, even though it has the easy link adjustment, it was still a little snug on me, right? So instead of fooling myself and say, oh, I'm gonna leave it like this, and when I lose the weight, it'll be fine, I said, you know what? I'm gonna go down. I'm not gonna waste my time at an AD. I'm gonna go down to the Rolex headquarters. And I'm just gonna get a link. So I live in New York City, so the Rolex headquarters is here. So on 5th Avenue, 53rd Street, on the 5th floor, right? So, I mean, you know, you're part of the family here on the channel. You know, I go there all the time. That was, you know, before all of this going on. So I wanted to go down there. So I said, you know what? Before I just show up there, let me find out if they're open, if they're still open. So I call them up. And they said, oh, we're not actually doing walk-ins, but we can give you an appointment. All right. So I got an appointment. I got an appointment for today at 4 p.m. So we're gonna go down. We're gonna go down. We're gonna go to our appointment, the Rolex headquarters. We're gonna take this watch. We're gonna put a new link on it so it can, you know, fit me correct, so I can wear it every day. And I'm going to show you what it's like to go to the Rolex headquarters in today's reality, in today's world. So all the restaurants are closed in the city. So brown bag yourself for lunch, pack yourself for lunch, grab one of these, pack a nice stick, and, you know, join the dragon for a field trip. Strap your Rolex on, and here we go. So here we are, everybody. You're on a field trip with the dragon, the last dragon, the Rolex community. And guess where we are? New York City. And look where we're going. And look where we're Rolex rocking. Batman. All right, I'll tell you what we're doing in a second. Richard Prophet, the dragon. The only YouTuber, watch YouTuber, taking you in the field, boots on the ground. And look where we're at.
Sure, we're going to do for you.
All right, I got an appointment, 5th floor.
Stand on the dock right there. And take your glasses off, please. Gaze into the machine. So measure your temperature. You're good. Okay. What minute is it?
Yeah.
Okay. Step over here. I need you to sign in here. I need to see it, please.
Sure.
Good night, Mike. Take care.
ID, you said, huh?
Yes, please. Right there, sir.
Sir?
Yes. Hi. Good, how are you? Yes.
Browsing. Now, let me look at the rest. Okay.
So I corrected the name of the system, but is the email correct?
That is right. You got my phone number? So this?
Alright, and the receipt's fixed with the apartment, and we'll receive the estimate, if not tomorrow, it's on there, okay?
Is it a hard fix or an easy fix or?
I mean, basically, they just put the crown and they have to put oil into the movement, so it is, yes, but it takes some time.
Okay, all right.
Alright?
I appreciate your help.
Of course.
Merry Christmas.
Alright.
Kind of tight. Kind of tight on your boy.
I don't want you to, that's why we prefer, you didn't write anything off. Because we prefer.
It's expensive, right?
It's $750 plus tax.
You don't take back the other 2 lanes, do you?
Where's that, how do you feel?
No, on one side, what do you think?
See, from my point of view, yeah, I feel like
Maybe my
it's
email
not,
is
but
pretty
we don't
low
want
in
to
that
spend
paperwork.
So I don't want you.
All right, let's do it. I might as well have
I
it.
mean, but you need to feel comfortable. Put your wrist on the seat. It's like wrist down, side to me. How do you feel like? What do you know?
I think it feels fine. Part of it is I had surgery, so it's
Oh, no.
swollen, you know what I'm saying? Let's just do it.
All right. And then whenever you get the paperwork, send it over. If you need a card,
You shouldn't wear it too much.
all you do is
Accelerate the way I myself like to.
I like it slow.
Yeah, I used to
that's
wear
fine. That'll be enough. All right.
Thank you so much.
Yeah,
But then again, if I can feel comfortable.
yeah, no, I'm fine.
Sure. You also need to try to keep it.
Okay.
I want to take your chest right up, just keep trying.
Okay.
So I'm gonna step away from this.
Okay. Were you in the paperwork, so is this in? Thank you very much.
Ooh.
Alright, we added one link for you.
Okay.
So let me have you try it.
He added one link and then kept this all the way out, or?
Yeah, all the way out in the class.
Okay.
What's that feel? You can still make it larger by opening that half link, but how does it feel?
Can you open it? Can you make it a little
Yeah,
larger
sure.
for me? I don't know how to do it. Thank you.
Yeah, sure. All right. Okay, let's see.
You made it larger?
Yeah, made it larger, yes.
Okay. Oh yeah, I'm good right there.
Looks good?
Oh, yeah.
Feel okay? Comfortable? Flex your wrist and everything like that?
Oh yeah, I'm good right there.
Perfect. Okay.
And if a miracle ever happens and I lose some friggin' weight,
And you can take out the links, yeah.
All right. And I can also make it a little
Smaller.
just with just the
Yeah,
bracelet.
just fold the bag.
Can you show me how to
yeah,
do it?
sure.
Oh, and he set the date for me too. Nice.
Yes.
Thank you very much.
Of course. All right. So it's gonna be from this side. So right now it's open, so it just hangs. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna press it back.
Okay.
Like a bed. Fold it over so it clips into place like
Oh,
this.
okay.
And then you just snap it.
So you got to fold it over. Oh, and then just
Yeah,
snap
it
it in
goes
place.
into the groove itself and snaps into place.
Okay, I
But
see.
if you want to just open it, all you do is push it out.
Just pull
and
it.
Just.
Oh, okay, great.
Do you
Awesome.
want it open or closed?
Open.
Open. Okay.
Oh yeah, no, I'm good. I'm perfect.
Perfect. All right.
Great.
So-
Thank you very much.
Yeah. Let me just put the payment here, and you're
Yeah.
good to go. It's 60.
American Express is good.
Yeah. 68. No. All right. I'll have you put your card. You can tap it, or you can whatever one you have. I don't know if it taps. Does it tap? Oh, oh, it does. Oh no, never mind. Try slide it in the top. Yeah. Oh, sorry. Alright. And you just need to sign it with your hand. We don't have a pen.
All right.
Hello. Hi, I'm gonna try to make the 5:05, but I don't know, I still got my watch. So are you gonna pick me up? Is that what's happening? Is there a 5:15? I can't. Yeah, we get you at 6:07 or 6:08. Oh, I'm definitely gonna make that. Okay, in the regular spot, unless I make the earlier one, I'll call you. Bye.
Me? Okay.
I remember helping you like while
Yeah,
I recognize
I
the
come
name.
here. Yeah.
Yeah, but it's obviously been different with the mask.
Yeah, yes.
But this is the copy of the receipt right here, okay?
Okay. Let me ask you,
Yeah.
when like I come, does my name like populate with all my watches?
Yeah,
Oh,
all
okay.
your watches, yeah, because I know you have a list.
Yeah, I have a few, yeah. Okay, all right. So this is my, okay, great. Thank you very much. Happy holidays.
You too.
Thank you. Batman.
I understand. So in order to do that,
Thank you, buddy.
have a great day. It's best to make an appointment. Okay, I know, I'm sorry, I just didn't realize. So is there any way to check if someone could see me? Okay.
Thank you, sir. Happy holidays to you. So there it is. We took you to Rolex. We got an extra link on the Batman. And now we're gonna trying to finish our last minute Christmas shopping in the Big Apple in New York City. I'm your host, Richard Prophet, the Last Dragon. Thanks for watching.